How to get a decal ID in Roblox mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a decal ID in Roblox mobile. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Then tap on More from the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Create and scroll down to tap on View Items. Now swipe the options and tap on Decals. Next, pick any decal you like. Then tap on the three dots. Next, select Copy Link. Now paste the link anywhere, and you will see the numbers in the URL, which is the decal ID. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.